Right, so we've got our Toro Super Recycler here, 48cm or 19-inch deck. Good little mower. Biggest problem with this mower is the blade options it comes with. Yeah, the Toro atomic blades are not too bad, but you need a dedicated high lift blade, especially if you want to do bagging and get good bagging capabilities and stuff. This doesn't bag the best. Again, that's because of the blade. There is one part you can buy which instantly transforms this mower's bagging capabilities, and mulching actually helps mulching as well, and I'll show you that now. When you tip a mower up, always tip it with the air filter side facing the sky, exhaust facing the ground. So figure out which side is which. You should be able to tell the difference between an air filter and an exhaust. So there we go, this is our standard blade on here. This is the highest lift version. They do some lower angled ones. This is the highest one you can get for it. Again, this is a 19-inch version. I think there's a few more options for the 21s and 22s. But yeah, this 19-inch mower, there's very little blade options, which is a pain. This part is also for 21-inch Toro mowers as well, and the 22s or whatever it is. If you've got this set up here, this blade adapter, blade boss. So the new part is what Toro calls a blade accelerator. That just replaces this bit, and as you can see here, it's got nice big wings on it, so that creates more airflow and helps this bag a lot better. So we'll whip this blade off. Just pull your spark plug boot just to be safe. 14mm. And there we go. So if you've got a blade that looks like this, you know, it's got a little bit of a bow in it with this plate, that should fit. And that creates a lot more suction, a lot more airflow, and you get a lot better bagging. That is the part number there, 105 684803. It will fit any of them that have got this sort of size whatnot. Another tip with your Toros as well is if you just mainly bag and you don't mulch or anything, remove these little baffles or whatever you call them. Just a couple of little screws there, you just unscrew, you pull them out, and yeah, it'll bag a little bit better as well. When you do take these out though, screw the screws back in, because otherwise they'll get caked up with, the screw holes will get caked up with mud and crap, and if you ever do need to put them back on, it'll be a pain in the ass. Yeah, obviously keep your deck clean as well, keep your blades sharp, pressure wash your bag. But yeah, this is transformed, this part here has transformed my mower's bagging. Bags a lot better. Bags a lot better in the wet as well. Still not brilliant, but that's obviously just due to the blades. That's one of my biggest gripes with lawnmower manufacturers. They don't provide enough blade options. They need to, you know, provide a dedicated high lift blade with a proper steep wing on it and stuff like that. Yeah, the stock blades are normally shit. So leave me a thumbs up, be much appreciated. Any questions, let me know. Cheers.